So many traders wish to usually go from the beginner level to the advanced level, and sometimes they have no idea where to start from. I tell you the truth, the real difference between a beginner trader and an advanced trader is the amount of information that one has. So there's not any special thing that separates a beginner from an advanced trader except for the knowledge that one has and then the skill set. The knowledge being the amount of fundamental information that they have in their mind, how they're able to apply it on the market, and the technical skill set that they also behold that is very different from what the majority of the people know. And once you're a trader and you're able to start putting some of these things in place, then you gradually separate yourself from that beginner level to the advanced level. And as part of that, I have decided to teach you guys, being my followers who have been following me avidly for the past 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, even 1 month ago, the steps and processes to allow you to quickly elevate yourself from a beginner trader to quickly being regarded as a pro trader. So you want to watch this video to the very end. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. Click in the link in the description to join the KOJOFOREX Telegram community and be a part of the community. I send trade signals there for the community members to make money for free and also get notifications when I drop free trades, and then I post YouTube video like this so that you can be one of the first people to enjoy and watch it. So first off, what I want to share with you is 5 books that can quickly elevate you from a beginner trader to a pro trader, and by pro I mean a full-grown professional trader in just 5 months. So 5 books for 5 months. What it basically means that I expect you to read one of the books every single month. Now, getting the book may be a little bit tricky. You can try your best to get some of them online, or you can have them in a bookshop, ordered from Amazon or anywhere if you have the capabilities. If you don't, obviously going through the online route would be the best. I can't personally provide you with the online ones because obviously I don't have the online books, but I have the physical copies. So guys, I just literally put together my small mini library or mine corner here in Dubai, which has access to all my books, right? All the key books that I read that helps me in personal development here. And out of these books is what I have decided to choose the 5 best ones that have elevated me and can also elevate you in becoming an advanced trader in just 5 months. So I'm going to actually be talking about these books in successions, right? And by successions, meaning the ones that you need to read first and move on from there. First off, I'd like you to personally read this book. It's actually sometimes very hard to get your hands on, but it will be an insane game changer for you. So it's called A 3-Dimensional Approach to Forex Trading. Answer the question, where is the market going? So this book is written by Anna Coolin. Anna Coolin is a professional trader. She's been in the market for God knows how many years. And this book is a key fundamental book that will just let you understand the whole fundamental nature of the market. It's, I would say, 80 to 90% fundamental based and then just about 10% technical analysis based. But it will give you a thorough understanding of how every Forex instrument moves, what the country majorly focuses on, their natural resources or their stronghold in terms of natural resource, in terms of their exportation, importation. It will just let you understand the economy you're trading, their currency. Let's say you're trading GBP USD, it will let you understand the British economy properly, and then also let you understand the metrics that you need to understand from the United States dollar economy properly. So number one, I cannot afford to not let you read Anna Coolin's 3-Dimensional Approach to Forex Trading and then be the number 1 picker, right? So yes, you want to read this in 1 month, and then you have 4 books to read in the next 4 months. Number 2 is obviously something that I've spoken about so many times, but I cannot skip putting it to number 2 because it is very important, and it's none other than technical analysis of stock trend. I already spoke about this book. I call it the foundational level of technical analysis. It was written by Robert Edward and John Magee. This book was written, I think, somewhere in 1940, technical analysis of stock trend. It basically covers everything that you need to understand about technical analysis. It's a voluminous book, about 800-page book, but you know, it just stresses majorly on the foundational level of technical analysis that has been working till date. It would go into details about the trend line. It will go into details about the Dow Jones theory. It will go into details about chart patterns, and it will take majorly American assets classes that are on the stock market and break them down using these classical chart patterns and technical analysis for you to understand. And most of these patterns today still works on the forex market. It still works on the index market. It still works on the crypto market. And these moves that are studied from this book have been majorly what I'd account to me being able to call those huge moves that I've seen on gold, on oil, on cryptos like Bitcoin, and then that continuously makes so many people marveled by my skill set. So I'll put technical analysis of stock trend in number 2. And number 3, if I want to be fair, number 3, from elevating you from a beginner level to a pro level, right? Remember that I said a pro level, and by meaning a pro level, a professional level, it means that you must understand everything that happens in the financial market, both from the micro level and to the macro level. Anna Collins' book is going to give you the micro basis of understanding the market. Technical analysis of stock trend is just going to position you technically. And then the next book that you need is none other than Global Macro Trading. So global macro trading is just going to understand or let you understand the macro aspect of the market. It's just going to let you understand the market at the bigger level. The bigger level, I mean that the international level. What I mean is that you're going to understand geopolitics. You're going to understand how they affect the market in the international scope of things, right? You're going to understand how international wars and all of those things affect the market. You're going to be able to call big moves, also disseminating fundamental event that happen at the macro level to just basically the market. Like you can tell how Israel and then Palestinian war is going to affect the market, or Ukraine and Russian war is affecting the market, or China and Taiwan war is going to affect them. You know, you need to understand all of these things at a global level, right? And this type of a book, Global Macro Trading, is going to open your mind to that level. It's usually for institutions, right? It was written by one person who worked in a hedge fund, and he took time to really go into details. You can see assessing relationship between assets, risk off, risk on sentiment, right? So it goes deeply into understanding basically like all the fundamental nature of the market. The objective is that we're trying to go to the professional level. It may sound too technical for most of you, but you want to do your best to grab your hands on a book like this and you are good to go. So let me arrange them in succession: three-dimensional approach to forex trading, technical analysis of stock trend, global macro trading. So after you're done with here, then you obviously need to build on one important thing as well. You cannot have a technically endowed, fundamentally knowledgeable, and then not have one thing. And what is that one thing? That one thing is being a disciplined trader. So you need to grab yourself The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. It's going to allow you to understand the rudiments of being a professional trader. And one key thing that traders usually lack in the industry is discipline. So you want to get your discipline in shape by understanding or reading The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. After you have gained all your technical skills, knowledge, and becoming very profitable, then you need to also put your habits in shape. And one of your key habits that you need to put in shape is discipline, right? Lastly, the goated book that almost every trader has read. And I still really know that most traders have not read that book, but it's that book that will finally wrap it all up for you. After you are so good in technical analysis, you need to have your psychology in shape. And so, a book written by Mark Douglas, which is what? Trading in the Zone. And once you're able to really read Trading in the Zone, it kind of sums up everything for you, right? It's going to put your psychology in place. You're not going to panic out of a move. You're going to be patient. You're going to build all the other characteristics that you need to finally become a profitable trader. So I recommend Trading in the Zone as a psychology book to put your mind in check and in frame. And after, guys, you are able to read all these 5 book recommendations in 5 months, come and blame me if you are still not a professional trader. I can guarantee you that after you're able to finish reading cover to cover all these 5 book recommendations that I've made here, you are actually going to be one of the best traders in the world, not just in Ghana, not just in Nigeria, not just in Africa, but in the world. I hope you guys really loved my recommendations. I hope it inspires you to push the boundary, and I hope it elevates you just as it has elevated me, and I want to see you doing well. That's why I took time to make this recommendation for you. Smash the like button if you haven't done that. Follow me on all social media at KOJOFOREX. Click in the link in the description to join the KOJOFOREX Telegram community, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. I'll see you guys in my next content like this. Peace.